Hi guys, my name is Hadikur Rahman. I am from Bangladesh. Today in this video I am going to talk about my recent favorite smartphone, Xiaomi Redmi Note 11. Friends, I am using this smartphone as my daily driver for the past few months. Today I will share with you what my experience was with this smartphone. First of all, the Redmi Note 11 feels solid and well built in hand. This is the pearl white color which I have. I really like this color because of the glossy finishing on it. The smartphone looks really cool in hand. Also, the boxy form factor of this smartphone makes it very comfortable to hold. This smartphone has a air blaster and a 3.5mm headphone jack. I cannot live without these two things on a smartphone, especially the air blaster. Xiaomi is the only smartphone brand that gives this feature to a smartphone. I watch a lot of movies and YouTube videos regularly. For that, this smartphone is really good at content viewing. This smartphone has a 6.43-inch AMOLED display with support for a 90Hz refresh rate, which has a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels. The display is sharp, the viewing angles are great, and the colors are really punchy, and the blacks are really very deep. So all these things are making this smartphone an ideal tool for watching content on YouTube, Netflix or anything like. The display brightness is also very good, and the display can produce up to maximum of 1000 nits brightness. I love to take a lot of photos regularly, in which situation this smartphone comes in very handy. The smartphone packs a quad camera setup consisting of 50 megapixel primary, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro and another 2 megapixel depth sensor. I can capture really good photos with this smartphone. The image is really sharp with a good amount of detail. The colors look neutral with a very good dynamic range. So overall this smartphone camera quality is very good. I can take a lot of photos regularly with it. I feel bored sometimes if there is nothing to do. At that time I like to play games on my smartphone. This smartphone has a very decent quality chipset. Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 4G chipset is very good at this price range. PUBG Mobile is one of my favorite games. The Adreno 610 GPU can run the PUBG Mobile very smoothly at medium settings. The 90Hz refresh rate makes the gameplay very smooth and the display touch response is also very good. The battery backup of this smartphone is also very good. This smartphone has a massive 5000 mAh battery that can last for almost 2 days on a normal use. For heavy use, this smartphone can last for 7 hours. And the 33W fast charger came in the box which can charge the smartphone from 0 to 100% in almost 1 hour. So I like charging speed of this smartphone. So overall this smartphone has a very good battery life with a good charging speed. I live in Bangladesh where we are facing some serious electricity problems right now. In this situation, load shedding is very common here. My Mi power bank Hypersonic 20,000 mAh is the lifesaver here. I am using this power bank for 9 months and the quality of this power bank is really good. It has a very good battery backup with 50W fast charging technology. It can charge 3 devices at the same time and it can also charge my laptop too. At any rate, I really appreciate that Xiaomi is bringing many technologies at a more affordable price. It makes technology accessible to more and more people and that's just awesome to see.